What's up, everybody? This is the Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about another error in Excel. This is the value error. Basically what you're going to get here, you get this. So right here, the cool thing about Excel is it's going to give you this little triangle whenever you get an error. So you can click on it normally. It'll let you do help on this error. If you're like me, you hate looking at that. So thankfully, we can go right here and it'll give us a summary. A value used in the formula is the wrong data type. Makes sense. So profit, all we're trying to do is find revenue minus the cost. Revenue minus expense. There we go. So all we're going to do, I guess we should say margin, regardless, doesn't matter. So here, we see that we have text and we have numbers here. So if this, we just change it to, well, right now we're trying to subtract a number from a text. That doesn't work. So if we just change it something simple like this, 5, 7, 10 minus 1, that would be 9, and 8. There we go. That fixes the error. You'll see that that triangle disappeared. You're going to see that this changed up here, and we're all good. Our functions work. So pretty much in Excel, when you get a bunch of these errors, there's not a nice little summary here, and it usually tells you how you can go about fixing them. This is just one of the ones that I've seen very often, and it's kind of a pain, but overall, it's an easy fix. That's about it. So if this is helpful, fantastic. Hopefully check it out, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.